Hello students, welcome to class 2nd mathematics class. We have already started subtraction. Today in this video we will do more practice of 3-digit subtraction. Now let's revise subtraction without borrowing. 977 minus 325. Arrange all these numbers in column and according to their place values. Now subtract the ones column. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Now subtract the tens column. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Now subtract the hundreds column. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. So the answer is 652. Now let's take another example. 841 minus 128. Write all these numbers according to their place value and in proper column. Now subtract the ones. 1 minus 8. Here 1 is less than 8. So we cannot subtract 8 from 1. The 1 will borrow 1 tens from the 4 tens. After giving 1 tens, the 4 tens become 3 tens. And after borrowing 1 tens, the 1 ones become 11 ones. Now subtract the 11 ones and 8 ones. The answer will be 3 ones. Now subtract the tens. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Now subtract the hundreds. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. So the difference will be 713. Now subtract 368 from 514. Step 1 is write the numbers in column form. Now step 2 is subtract the ones. Here 4 is less than 8 or 8 is greater than 4. So we cannot subtract 8 from 4. We have to borrow 1 10 from the tens column. After giving 1 10, the Z1 will become 0. And after getting 1 10, the 4 ones will become 14 because 1 tens plus 4 ones is equal to 14. Now we have to subtract the ones column. 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. Now subtract the tens column. 0 minus 6. Here 0 is less than 6 or 6 is greater than 0. We cannot subtract 6 from 0. So 0 has to borrow 100 from the hundreds column. After giving 100, 500 become 400s. And getting 100, the 0 tens become 10 tens because 100 plus 0 tens is equal to 10 tens. Now subtract the tens column. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Now subtract the hundred column. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So the answer is 146. Now let's take another example. 363 minus 295. Arrange all the numbers in column and according to their place value. Subtract ones. 3 is less than 5. We cannot subtract 5 from 3. So borrow 1 tens from 6 tens, leaving behind 5 tens. After borrowing 1 tens, 3 ones become 13 ones. Now subtract 13 minus 5 is equal to 8 ones. 5 is less than 9 in tens column. We cannot subtract 9 from 5. Now 5 has to borrow 100 from 300s, leaving behind 200s. The 5 tens, it becomes 15 tens. 15 tens minus 9 tens is equal to 6 tens. Subtract now hundreds. 200s minus 200s is equal to 0. So the difference is 68. Let us subtract 782 minus 598. After arranging all the numbers according to their place value and in proper column, subtract the ones column. 2 minus 8. 2 is less than 8. So we cannot subtract 8 from 2. Now we have to borrow 1 tens from the tens column. After giving 1 tens, 8 tens will become 7. And after getting 1 10, 2 ones will become 12. Now subtract 12 minus 8 and it will be 4. Now subtract the tens column. 7 minus 9. 7 is less than 9. So we have to borrow from 100 columns. After getting 10 tens, 7 will become 17. Now subtract 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. After giving 100, 700s become 600. Now subtract 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. So the difference is 184. Previously we have learned how to check subtraction through addition. This is a simple way by which we can check whether our subtraction was correct or not. Let's take our previous example. 782 minus 598 and our answer was 184. To check whether our subtraction was correct or not, we have to add 598 plus 184. Add these numbers, 598 plus 184. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. 1 plus 9 plus 8 is equal to 18. 1 plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 7. So the answer is 782. 782 is the number from where 598 was subtracted. Therefore, this shows our subtraction is correct. Now let us subtract 267 from 600. We cannot subtract 7 ones from 0 ones. We also cannot borrow a 10 from 0. So first we borrow 100, leaving behind 500s. 100 is equal to 10 tens. So the 0 will become 10. Now we can borrow a 110 from these tens, leaving behind 9 tens. After getting 110, the 0 ones become 10 ones. Now subtract the ones column. 10 minus 3 is equal to 3. Subtract the tens column. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Now subtract the hundreds column. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So the answer is 333. Now let's check whether our subtraction was correct or not. After subtracting 267 from 600, we get 333. As I told you, you have to add these two numbers, 267 plus 333. Write this number here and add the numbers. 267 plus 333. Now first add the ones column. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Now add the tens column. 1 plus 6 plus 3 is equal to 10. Again add the hundreds column. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 600. So 600 is the number from where 267 was subtracted. This shows that our subtraction is correct. Now let's do some mental maths. Mental maths means you have to calculate in your brain without using pencil or paper. So let's start. The first question is 64 minus dash is equal to 60. And the answer will be 4. 64 minus 4 is equal to 60. The next question is 900 minus 1 is equal to dash. We all know that subtracting 1 from any number gives the before number. So what comes before 900? The answer is 899. The third question is 500 minus dash is equal to 300. And can you give me the answer? Yes, the answer is 200. The next question is 682 minus dash is equal to 0. We all know that when a number is subtracted from the same number, the answer is 0. So here the answer is 0. So 682 minus 682 is equal to 0. Let's do some more practice. 29 minus 29 is equal to dash. When a number is subtracted from the same number, the answer is 0. So here both the numbers are same. So the answer will be 0. The next question is 1 less than 851. It means 851 minus 1 and we will get 850. The next question is 98 minus dash is equal to 97. So what will be the answer? 1. When we subtract 1 from 98, we will get 97. The next question is 65 minus 2 tenths is equal to dash. 65 minus 2 tenths means 20. If we subtract this number, we will get 45. So 65 minus 2 tenths is equal to 45. The next question is 82 minus dash is equal to 82. When 0 is subtracted from a number, the answer is the number itself. So the answer will be 0. If you want to become perfect in subtraction, you have to do a lot of practice. So keep doing practice. Thank you.